Hi, so this is part 2 of the 5x5 Rubik's Cube, and right now we are going to do the sides of the Rubik's Cube, the 5x5 cube. Alright, so we got a green and red side, and there's one right here, and there's two edges right here. So we want to slide the middle up like that. Slide this up and get it out of the way, and bring it back to its original state. Okay, there we go. So we got a blue and a red. Let's see. Blue and the red right here. Let me see. Okay, so we want to turn it twice. Like that. Okay, we want to move down one. Move it up. Turn it. And then put it back in place. And then, bang. We're gonna do the same thing. This one. And just repeat for the last step. There you go. There's the edges peeled up. And now I'm going to show you how to pair them at its sides. It's really easy. All you have to do is just match it with the correct area. And then you go. We got the green and the orange pair at the side, paired with the green. So bring it down like this. And turn it like that. And pair it like that. There you go. Now we're going to do the same thing with the blue and orange. Pair it. The orange side. Bring it down. Bring it this little white and the blue back. And then turn it one more time. This side back to normal. And there you go. Okay. Next two are easy. There you go. And just repeat the same step one more time. There you go. That is how you get the sides paired up. Okay, so now I am going to show you how to pair the yellow edges very carefully. Okay? So we got a red. We got a red right here. And a yellow edge. We want to bring it down one. Have ones like bring it down. So like these two sides right here. Bring it up like that. Turn it like that. Bring it up. This one back up. turn it back, and then turn it back up like that. There you go. Now, because it's like this, you want to get it back to normal. So do this, and there you go. So the next step is gonna be easy. We gotta get these into three, a pair of three. It's really simple. Watch me very carefully. Bring these two down, which is the orange and yellow. So bring it down one. You also want to have this side down, so bring it down to your side, like facing you, like facing your face. Bring it this side up. Bring the sky back up. Bring it towards your face, like this. See? Yeah. Okay. Bring it back up. The yellow is back up. And there you go. You got your yellow edges paired up. But now you see how it's like that again? Yeah. You want to pair it back with the orange and green side. But we got to pair it with the green. That's good. So pair it back where it was. There you go. And now, ladies and gentlemen, you got the yellow cross. It's just like with the white cross. Yeah. So, I want to show you something. You see how it's yellow and blue? Look. We got a yellow and red, which means two are out of place. Don't worry, that will be the last step to figure out. Okay, so now we are going to work on the white corners, which this step is going to be easy. Let's see, we got the white, orange, and blue corner. Now let's pair it to its corner parallel from the white side. We got it at the blue side, we got the orange on the top, and the white on the side right here. We want to do it like this. Watch me carefully. Left, U prime, L prime, U, 2, O, U prime, O prime, F, O prime, F prime. Oh, very simple. Now, you can do this on your own if you want, but watch me carefully again. Now this time, we got the green, red, and white. The white is facing down towards the white side, and the red is on the side of the white. So watch this. Right, U, R prime, U prime 2 L U prime U L prime F prime U L prime F L. Okay, repeat the step 2 more times, okay? Okay, so now I'm gonna show you one trick. If this piece right here, it's on the bottom, on the right side, the orange, green, and white. You want to do this trick at least once. Ready? O, U, O prime, U prime, O, U, 2, O prime, U, prime, O, U, O prime. There you go. You got it back. You got the white corner on the right side, and look at there. You got the orange and the green on this corner for the white. Now is an easy step. Now for the fun part, the yellow cross. Here we go. This is really easy. F O U O U prime F prime. Now for the second half. Repeat the step again. There you go. You got a yellow cross. And oh, you got that and that, which means it's 2 left. So we are gonna do the yellow corners right now. Alright, watch me. Very carefully. Okay. So we're gonna start with one corner. O, U, O prime, U, O, U2, O prime. There you go. You got yourself a fish. Okay, do it again. O, U, O prime, U, O, U2, O prime. And there you go. You got the yellow corners on the other side. Okay, so the next step is gonna be easy. Ready? O prime F O prime B 2 O F O prime B2 O2. Easy. That's it. Repeat the step one more time. There you go. Okay, so you got your white, red, and yellow sides solved. This next step is going to be really easy. Let me show you. O2, U, O, U, O prime, U prime, O prime, U prime, O prime, U, O prime. Okay, so that's it. And that was part 2 of the 5x5 Rubik's Cube. I hope you guys enjoy it. And enjoy solving your 5x5 Rubik's Cube, which is also called the Professor's Cube. Alright, have a good day. Bye.